In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel AliExpress order. First, open your browser and head to www.aliexpress.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you used to place the order. If you're not logged in, click the account icon and enter your details. Once you're in, go to My Orders. You'll usually find it at the top of the page under the account menu. This page shows all your recent purchases along with their current status. Next, locate the specific order you want to cancel. Double check you've selected the correct item, especially if you have multiple orders placed around the same time. It helps to glance at the order total, the store name, and the date, so you don't cancel the wrong one. Also look at the status. If it says something like awaiting shipment, cancellation is typically available. If it's already shipped, the cancel button may be hidden or unavailable, which simply means the seller has sent it out, and cancellation might no longer be possible. If the order is eligible, click Cancel Order. The site may ask for a reason. Choose the option that best matches your situation. Being accurate here is helpful for both you and the seller, and in some cases it can speed up processing. You may see an optional text box. Keep your explanation brief and clear. If you decide to add a note, when everything looks right, click Confirm to finalize the request. After you confirm, you should see a notification on the screen, and you may receive an email summarizing the cancellation. The order status will change to reflect that it's been canceled. Any payment you've made will be refunded through your original payment method. Processing times vary by bank or card provider, so it can take a little while to appear back in your account even after the platform shows the cancellation as complete. Act quickly once you decide to cancel, since eligibility depends on whether the seller has shipped the item. If the cancel button isn't there, it usually means the window has passed. That's it. You logged in, opened My Orders, selected the purchase, tapped Cancel Order, chose a reason, and confirmed. Thanks for watching.